Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Powerbeats3 Wireless is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable pairs of workout earbuds on the market, known for their secure fit and robust build quality, designed to withstand intense physical activity and keep pace with your most demanding training sessions, making them a popular choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike who prioritize durability and a reliable connection during their workouts. Number 5. BMANI Earbuds Wireless Headphones. Experience music for up to 80 hours on a single charge with our portable charging case. The digital display shows you exactly how much power is left, ensuring you're always ready to listen. Enjoy rich bass and clear treble with our advanced audio drivers. Dual microphones ensure your calls are always clear, even in noisy environments. Connect effortlessly with advanced Bluetooth technology for a stable, low-latency experience. Dedicated buttons give you full control over your music and calls without accidental touches. Designed with adjustable ear hooks, these earbuds stay comfortably in place during any workout. They fit securely and ergonomically for all-day wear. These earbuds are sweat and dust resistant, perfect for your runs, workouts, or commutes. Their compact design makes them easy to carry anywhere. Pair them easily with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Enjoy a smooth audio experience across all your devices. What we like. With an incredible 80-hour battery life and a clear LED display, these earbuds are built for endurance. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who needs music to last through multiple days of workouts without constant charging, these are your perfect match. Enjoy the secure fit for any activity. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for hours on a single charge. The sound quality is impressive, with clear highs and deep bass. They fit securely and comfortably, even during intense workouts. Number 4. Powerbeats Replacement Earbud Tips. Upgrade your listening experience with these replacement earbud tips. They are designed for a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring your earbuds stay in place during any activity. These tips are compatible with a range of models, including Powerbeats 3 and Powerbeats 2. You can also use them with other compatible Beats models for a versatile solution. Find your perfect fit with the included small, medium, and large sizes. We also offer double flange tips for an even more customized and secure seal. Crafted from durable and flexible materials, these tips are built to last. They are also sweat-proof, making them ideal for workouts and active lifestyles. Don't let damaged or lost earbud tips interrupt your music. Grab a spare set to ensure you always have a perfect fit and optimal sound quality. Replacing your old earbud tips is simple and quick. Just remove the old ones and attach the new ones for an instant refresh of your audio gear. What we like. These are replacement earbud tips designed for a perfect fit. If you've lost or damaged your original tips for your Powerbeats or other compatible Beats models, these offer a durable and sweat-proof solution. Grab a spare set to ensure your headphones always stay comfortable and secure. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for hours on a single charge. The sound quality is impressive, with clear highs and deep bass. They are comfortable to wear for extended periods, thanks to the secure ear hooks. Number 3. Powerbeats 3 Wireless In-Ear Headphones, Shock Yellow, Renewed. Enjoy up to 12 hours of battery life, perfect for powering through even your longest workouts. These headphones are designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. When the battery is low, a quick 5-minute charge gives you an additional hour of playback. Spend less time charging and more time moving. Don't let sweat or water hold you back. These are built to withstand your toughest training sessions, no matter the conditions. With an impressive battery life, you can rely on them to last through multiple workouts without interruption. Stay motivated with your favorite music. The fast fuel feature ensures you're always ready to go. Just a few minutes of charging provides ample playback time for your next activity. What we like. Offering up to 12 hours of battery life and a convenient fast fuel feature for quick charging, these headphones are great for dedicated athletes. If you're looking for reliable audio during intense, sweat-inducing training sessions and want a quick power boost when you're short on time, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for hours on a single charge. The sound quality is impressive, with deep bass and clear highs. They are comfortable to wear for extended periods, thanks to the ear hooks. Number 2. Powerbeats3 Wireless In-Ear Headphones, Black, Renewed. Connect seamlessly via Class 1 Bluetooth. Enjoy the freedom to move without wires during your workouts. With up to 12 hours of battery life, these headphones can power through multiple training sessions. Keep the music going all day long. Don't let a low battery stop you. A quick 5-minute charge provides an hour of playback, so you can get back to your routine faster. These in-ear headphones are built for your active lifestyle. Experience superior sound and comfort wherever you go. Get the performance you expect at a great value. These renewed headphones offer a fantastic audio experience. What we like. Featuring Class 1 Bluetooth for a stable wireless connection and up to 12 hours of playback, these are ideal for active users. If you prioritize a strong, consistent connection during workouts and appreciate the quick 5-minute charge for an hour of playback, these headphones will keep you motivated without interruption. What people say. The battery life is amazing, lasting for hours on a single charge. The sound quality is crisp and clear, with deep bass that makes music sound incredible. They fit snugly and comfortably in my ears, even during intense workouts. Number 1. Beats Powerbeats3 Wireless In-Ear Headphones, White, Renewed. Enjoy up to 12 hours of battery life, enough to power through multiple workouts without interruption. These headphones are designed to keep going as long as you do. Don't let a low battery stop you. With fast fuel technology, a quick 5-minute charge provides an additional hour of playback when you need it most. Push your limits with confidence. These are sweat and water resistant, making them the perfect companion for your most demanding training sessions. Experience true wireless freedom during your workouts. Move without restrictions and focus on your performance. Designed for an active lifestyle, they offer a secure and comfortable fit that stays in place no matter the intensity of your exercise. What we like. With a 12-hour battery life and the rapid fast fuel charging, these headphones are designed for your active lifestyle. If you need durable, sweat-resistant audio gear that can handle tough workouts and offers a quick charge when you're in a hurry, these are a solid option to consider. What people say. The Powerbeats3 Wireless are sweat and water resistant, making them ideal for workouts. They offer up to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge, and a 5-minute fast fuel charge gives you an hour of playback. The integrated microphone allows for hands-free calls and voice assistant access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.